Hello guys, so today I have a gift to unwrap and let's do this. I don't know what's inside. I'm just guessing. So here's the packaging. Here's what's inside. Oh, it's a cat deck. So I got a cat deck for Christmas and I unboxed it. People know I like cat deck and maybe they got me one. So I think we're gonna open this thing and yeah. So this is pretty nice. Actually, it's the toy machine. Deck deck toy machine. So it's pretty nice. So I'm going to unbox this and yeah. So the packaging's hard. Actually, this is ultra rare cat deck. So I'm very happy about this because it's ultra rare. It's rare, so no one can see it. Or, I mean, it's hard to find. So, yeah. Come on, the packaging is hard to open. Oh, there, I got it. So, here is the tech deck. Wow. There's the tech deck. I'm still unboxing it. Okay. Oh, there's a wheel. There's a wheel. I'll get that wheel. I'll be right back. I'll get that wheel. Okay, I'm back. So there's actually 4 wheels, 4 red wheels. It's pretty nice. And yeah. Slowly put them there. Oh yeah, here's the board anyway. If you compare it to the circuit board, they're almost the same. If you compare it to the board, they're almost the same. So I'll just get these wheels out. And yeah. And there's a multi-tool and a stand. Before, there was no stands on cat decks. Some have stands, some not. I think now they have stands when you buy them. Everyone has stands. Every one of them has stands. So yeah, I got a multi-tool, which I will not forget. And yeah, that's it. So the cat deck is placed pretty good. I'll test it out and I'll be right back. Here's the board. So yeah. Do all these. There's a pop socket. Pop socket. Backside 180. Many more. So this board is nice. Again, there is like a tech deck logo in front. And I forgot. Here's the board in size. So here is toy machine and the picture of I don't know what's the picture and yeah. If you do like this board, please drop a like and subscribe. And if this helps you to purchase a toy in Christmas, then please like and subscribe. And this toy is pretty good and you should get it for Christmas. If you see one, buy it straight. It's the best board I ever had. Not ever had. Maybe I ever had, but on my technical collection, I think this is one of the best boards. So guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and does it help you also subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. By the way guys, my mom got that present for me, so just a reminder.